Color of nature.
Welcome to Kids Fun, educational channel for kids. Subscribe for more video.
Nature offers a vast palette of colors. Lush greens from leaves and grass. Golden yellow from the autumn leaf. A coral reef boasts a dazzling array of colors. Beautiful combination of blue and green in peacock. Various color in our fruits and vegetables. Let's start our journey of color. Green. The bamboo leaves are a vibrant green. The emerald green snake slithered silently. The green lovebird plays on the garden. The green grapes hung plumply from the vine. The green grasshopper perched on a swaying stalks. Yellow. Yellow autumn leaves fluttering down to the ground like confetti. Sunflowers boast a cheerful display of bright yellow petals. Iguana scales shimmering in a spectrum of yellow as they caught the light. The yellow watermelon is so sweet and nice. The yellow color of the fish is so beautiful. Red. The red rose blooms perfectly. The red strawberries look so yummy. The red male cardinal bird chirped a cheerful melody. The red crab scuttled sideways back into its hiding place. Blue. Clear blue sky stretched endlessly above. A dazzling blue butterfly looks for nectar. The blue frog is famous because of its poison. The forget-me-not flowers is beautiful with its blue petal. Orange. The fox has orange fur that against the backdrop of the snow. Orange cosmos are beautiful, they attract butterfly to come. Orang-utan has orange fur that looks contrast with their habitat. Monarch butterfly has beautiful orange wings. Carrot has orange color because of beta-carotene inside. Purple. Eggplant is my favorite vegetables. Wherever I look, I see purple at lavender field. The grapes are sweet and juicy. Crocus are my mom favorites flower because of the purple color. Brown. Brown bear is dangerous when hungry. Many nuts, such as acorns and walnuts, have brown shells. The powerful brown horse eats grass. A brown cockroach scuttling across the kitchen floor. Black. The black cat likes to catch mouse. The black swans swim calmly on the pond. The black grapes are sweet. Gray. The sleek gray wolf has shades of gray for camouflage. White. The white lilies have a flawless white petals with a hint of ivory at the center. The white cat sleeps lazily under the desk. The white swan are known for their monogamous relationships.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.